So for this question, what we do, we write first 8 sine square half x, and we write cosecant square x as sine square x, right?
Yes.
Dx. And then what we do, sine square half x, and to sine x, we write 2 sine half x and cos half x square.
So, but it's not sine 2x though. It is sine square x, right?
So that's why I have written square. I can write sine x as 2 sine half x and cos half x, right? Because overall, though, I have to, divide the angle by 2, isn't it?
I don't get how that works. I'm not
See,
sure.
if we have sine 2x formula,
Yes, sir.
then we can write it as 2 sine x and cos x, right?
Oh, yeah.
So that means we are dividing the angle by 2, or we are making the angle half, right?
Yes.
But on the other hand, if we have sine x, so can't we write sine half x and cos half x?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it is equal to 8 divided by 4 because I took 2 out of the square, right?
Yeah.
And it is sine square half x divided by sine square half x, and it is secant square half x because for cos square half x I can write 1 upon secant square half x, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So sine square half x and sine square half x will get cancelled. So 2 fours are 8, and we know the integration of secant square x, right? That is tan x,
Tan x.
and because it is secant square half x, so it is equal to tan half x divided by half plus c, which is equal to 4 tan half x plus c.
Okay, sir. Got it. Minus 12 sine x cos x.
Minus 12 sin x cos x.
Yes.
Minus 12 sin x cos x. How it is? How did you approach to this question?
I took the 6 outside.
Hmm.
And then sine square x, it became 2 sine power 1x. And
2
then,
sin. No, it is not.
minus cos x.
Why are you doing the derivative? Because we know we can't, integrate when we have a 2 degree or 3 degree of trigonometry. I mean 2 power or 3 power of trigonometry. So
Yes.
then we use some formulas, right? For sine square x, we use 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. And for cos square x, we use 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So here we use 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 dx.
Yes.
So 2 3 is the 6. So it is 3 of 1 minus cos 2x dx. So which is equal to 3x minus 3 sine 2x divided by 2 plus c.
Yeah, got it.